Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, just finished making my ice cooling vest, or my cooling ice vest, one or the other. I purchased one of those really inexpensive workman reflective vests on Amazon for about, I think it was either $12.50 or $14. And then I made some little bags to hold some gel packs that I made. These bags were made from a, I think it was a Walmart bag, a shopping bag you can get for like 50 cents. Or for the Goodwill, they can sell them like $1 or something. And they're inexpensive material to use. And then I hot glued the edges, put some Velcro, and then hot glued the Velcro onto the vest. And I made some freezer bags. The freezer bags were made using water, alcohol, soap, and a little dye with 1 quart Ziploc bags. And right now I've got 4 of these inside the vest. And I've been moving around with it, bending and, you know, jumping up and down. It worked good. I'm kind of surprised how well it worked out. Initially, the Velcro didn't stick to the fabric, so I had to hot glue the fabric to the Velcro. And if it doesn't continue to attach itself, I'll just sew it on. But this was a extra large. I'm 6 foot, 200 pounds, so with the gel packs, the extra large fits. It's not too heavy, and it provides a substantial amount of cooling. The bags are easy to manufacture. You can make several of them and put them in a small cooler, and when they warm up, you can just replace them. They're mushy, they're not hard like ice, so it's easy to conform to the shape of your body and the pockets that you made. And I think it's going to be substantially cheaper than some of the ones that are for sale. And there's so many people out there that work jobs that really could use something like this. Like, for instance, the people who work in the post office, drive those trucks, there's no air conditioning, and many other people work in different occupations. This would be a very inexpensive way to keep cool during the summer. I'm also going to experiment with some putting in a hat and some other things for keeping cool during the summer, working outside. Even people like my age, if you walk around too much, it can tax the heart. You know, I have some issues, so it's going to be handy for me if I'm having to work outside this summer. All right, thought I'd just share. And very inexpensive, simple to make. I'll show you in the video how easy it was to make, instead of me just jabbering. All right, guys. Put on new videos every week. Been doing it for over 18 years. Got over 1,500 videos, variety channel. You never know what you're going to find because I never know what I'm going to make. And that means I don't get that many return viewers because they might like a video about onion soup, but next week they don't care about ice cooling vests. So hope you all stick around and continue to watch and come back for more. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, take care. Keep cool.